Hello PHP lovers, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will look at some commonly used functions to manipulate string. To do it, first of all, we need to start our Apache server. So, for starting the Apache server, let's go to the XAMPP folder first. Our XAMPP folder is located in D drive. So, go to the D drive. Open up the XAMPP folder, and here we will open up the XAMPP control panel, and from that we will start the Apache server. So our server has been started. Now we need to move on to the folder htdocs, and we have already created a project called learning PHP, and in this tutorial we will also work in the same project. So open up the folder, create a new file named string.php. Open it using Sublime. So first of all, we will type the PHP start and enter. Now at first we will talk about the function strlen, that means string length. This function will return the length of a string. So let's see how it works. So create a variable first named string. So we created a variable named string, and in this variable we put a string that is hello world. Now we want to print the string length. So for doing this, we will use the function strlen, and we already know that to print anything in PHP we need to use the function echo. So type echo, then type the function strlen, and in this function you provide the string variable as the parameter. So let's run the script, see what happens. For running the script, open up a browser, then type localhost / the name of your project folder, which is learning_php / then the name of the script file, which is string.php. Hit the enter button. See, here you can see that it's provide the 11, which is the length of the string hello world. Now see another function which will return the number of words in a string, and the function is str_word_count, and in this function you provide your string variable, and here we provide a HTML break syntax which will create a line break in between the string length and string word count. Let's run the script again, see what happens. See, here you can see the string length, which is 11, and here you can see that number of words in the string, that is 2. Here you can also provide some more information to make it well understandable. For example, here I can write the string length here number of word. Okay, let's run the script again, see what happened. So you can see that the string length is 11 and number of word is 2. Now we will see the function strrev, and this function will reverse a string. So let's see. Again, put a break, then echo type reverse string, and use the function strrev and provide the string variable here. Run the script again, run min refresh. So refresh the page. See, the reverse string is this. Pretty nice. Now we will see another function, that is str pause, and this function will search for a specific text within a string. If a match is found, the function returns the character position of the first match. If no match found, it will return false. So let's see. Again, put a break, then use the function. Before using the function, put a message, and the function is str pause. And here we have to provide the string we will search, that is our string variable. Then we will provide the needle, that means we are going to find a needle in a haystack, and here we provided the string variable as a haystack. Now we will provide our needle, that means which text we want to search in this string. So let's provide the needle word, and offset is optional, and don't forget to put the semicolon after finishing each line. So let's see what happened. See, the text word is not in the string hello world. So the function strpos returns a false, and the false is not showing here. What happens if we provide the word here? Let's see. See, now it's provide the string character position, that means in which position the word is found in the string. The position is 6. Let's see is the position is correct or not. So this is the position number 1, this is the position number 2, this is the position number 3, this is the position number 4, this is the position number 5. Now you have to remember that the first character position in a string is 0, not 1. So let's count again. this is the position of 0, this is the position of 1, this is the position of 2, this is the position of 3, this is the position of 4, and the space, this is the position of 5, and this is the position of 6. That's mean in the position of 6 the word is started. That's mean the text word has been found in the position of 6 of that particular string hello world. Interesting, isn't it? Now we will see another function, and this function will replace some characters with some other characters in a string. So let's see what is the function and how to write it. So again, put a break, then type echo, type a message, string replace, and type the function str underscore replace. And here, as the first parameter, we will provide some characters for searching which we want to replace. So provide the word and the word we want to search and replace by the characters PHP lovers, and provide the main string in which we want to search, that is our string. So let's see what happened. Run the script. See, the word has been replaced by the string PHP lovers. So there are many string manipulation functions in PHP. The link is provided on description. You can find out the all PHP string manipulation function from there and practice it by yourself. And that's all for this tutorial. If you have any query regarding this tutorial, please comment. And see you in next tutorial. Thank you.